with this maximum. Okay, this is very nice. So for this we have, oh, pink. What a cute. Oh, next we have this little Leon Stitch. Stitch mirrors. It's cute. Oh, she's a little girl. Stitch. Cute. Oh, cute. Okay. This is so good. Guys, let's open it. You guys are like a food bunch. I love this. They don't know this. Let's just see what I really want the peanut butter bug or the peanut butter ketchup. And here I want the peanut butter bug. And here I want the peanut butter ketchup. This is the other one. There's the other one here. I do want this. Because this is what people want. Wait, that's not here. But no, the fire we're gonna take it on, but feel that blue. So she might. That's why it is like blue.